Okay, plant lovers, here's a question. What if I told you that right now, in mid-August, is the single best time to prepare your indoor plants for fall and winter? I know, it still feels like summer outside, iced coffee in hand. AC running, but your plants are already feeling the seasonal shift. And if you make a few smart moves now, they'll reward you with healthier leaves, fewer pests, and zero winter drama. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking mid-August plant wisdom, your step-by-step guide to transitioning indoor plants from the summer growing season to the cooler, darker months ahead. We'll cover the exact late summer plant checkup I do every year, how to tweak watering and light without stressing your plants, fertilizing and pruning tips for long-term health, pest prevention before they hitch a ride indoors, and how to create a stable winter-ready plant oasis. Let's jump right in. The subtle seasonal shift. Here in the US, even if it's still 90 degrees in the afternoon, the days are noticeably shorter. The sun's arc is changing, nighttime temps are dipping into the 62nd in many places, and your plants feel it. Tropicals like pothos and monstera start slowing growth, while succulents may hold steady until light levels drop further. Last chance for pest prevention. Spider mites, fungus gnats, mealybugs' summer heat is their party season. But when August winds down, they start searching for safe, warm homes, like yours. If you bring plants in without checking, pests spread fast and can wipe out a collection. Why acting now saves you later? Any stress a plant has now, pests, nutrient issues, root problems, is magnified in winter. Fixing it in August means they enter the cold months strong, not struggling. Gradually, reducing watering. As growth slows, so does water uptake. But don't suddenly cut water that shocks roots. Instead, space out your watering by a couple of extra days each week. Thirsty versus dormant plants. Thirsty year-round. Boston ferns, peace lilies, calatheas. They need moisture, even in winter. Dormant, semi-dormant. Snake plants, ZZ plants, succulents. They prefer to stay on the dry side during colder months, adjusting for changing light. By late August, that bright corner might be getting less light. Move plants closer to south or west-facing windows. These get the strongest sun in fall and winter in most US homes. Rotate pots every couple of weeks to avoid leaning. In summer, high nitrogen is great for lush growth. In fall, it's a problem plants can't keep up, and you get weak, leggy stems. Either switch to a low nitrogen formula or pause fertilizing until March. Selective pruning. Prune yellow, crispy, or pest-damaged leaves. Light-shaped trimming is fine, but don't cut heavily. Foliage helps plants capture every bit of light in the darker months. Avoiding the big mistake. If you do a major chop in August, some plants will respond by trying to regrow, wasting stored energy they need for winter survival. Inspect before bringing plants indoors. Flip leaves over, check stems, and don't forget to inspect the topsoil. Look for tiny webs, sticky residue, or moving specks. Organic pest solutions. Neem oil spray works wonders. Insecticidal soap is great for soft-bodied pests like aphids. You can also rinse smaller plants in the sink or shower. Always treat outdoors and let plants dry before moving inside. Repotting? Think twice. Unless roots are literally bursting out of the pot, save repotting for spring. Disturbing roots now can slow recovery, and cooler months make it harder for plants to bounce back. Stable indoor climate. Most houseplants love 65–75 degree Fahrenheit. Keep them away from drafty doors or heat vents. In the US, central heating can drop indoor humidity to desert levels. So consider a humidifier or pebble tray. Plant-specific winter needs. Succulents and cacti. Bright, cool, and dry. Tropicals and ferns. warm, humid, and evenly moist soil, setting up for spring success. A plant that spends winter in the right conditions bursts into growth when the days get longer. Think of late summer prep as charging their internal batteries. So here's the takeaway. Mid-August isn't just about squeezing the last bit out of summer for us. For our plants, it's about quietly transitioning into a whole new season. Check them for pests, adjust light and water, cut back on feeding, and give them a stable space to ride out the colder months. Do that. And when spring rolls around, you'll be rewarded with healthy, vibrant plants that are ready to grow. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more seasonal plant care tips, and drop a comment telling me your must-do end-of-summer plant ritual. Until next time, happy growing!